Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's quick video, I'm going to basically explain to you why your Windows air conditioner smells like a fish and what you can do in order to get rid of this odor. So first of all, the fishy smell isn't normal. In many cases, it can be caused by the overheated electrical components such as the damaged wiring or a failing capacitor or melting insulation. So if the smell is too strong or if it gets worse while the AC is running, you can just simply turn off the unit and you need to simply unplug it before continuing further. Now, if the smell is mild and only appears when the AC first turns on, you can just simply remove the front grill and then you can just simply inspect the air filters, which can look something like this. So if the air filters are dirty, you just have to do nothing but to just simply clean them and then reinsert them and see if the fishy smell is gone after doing this particular step. Now you can also just simply take a look at the flashlight inside and check the evaporator coil and the drain pan. If you notice the mold, slime or standing water, make sure that you clean that area too, and then you need to check whether the fishy smell is gone after doing this particular step. Now after doing both of these cleaning, you need to let the unit run in the fan only mode and you should be running it for about 20 to 30 minutes, and this is going to help dry the inside of the AC and it will also prevent the moisture from causing the odors to return. So you can perform these easy steps and see if this type of smell is gone forever. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.